A few days ago, Linus Tech Tips uploaded their latest video in the Linux Challenge series, and this one I thought was quite interesting because you can almost play along at home, so that's what I'm going to do today. In the video, there are 7 challenges for us to complete, and only 2 rules that we have to follow. First is no virtual machines, so really great screen cap. And the second is a 15-minute time limit for each challenge. I have all the challenges written down here in Obsidian, and I'm just going to go through them one by one. Challenge number 1, start or stop an app from booting. This is the auto start one. Auto start. Add new application. Ooh, so many to choose from. Let's open a terminal window. Shortest recording ever, because I have to now go and restart my computer. So I'll log in and log out again. Give me a second. Bang. Task 1 done. Challenge 2, record a video on your phone and send it to your PC. This is my phone, so we're gonna have to do something that I don't think people want me to do. Saying goodbye to good cam for a bit. Let's get this done quick so I can get the good camera back. Hello everyone, this is my video and we're gonna send it to my computer. Why do I look like this? The camera is so bad. Anyway, that's done. Now I need to send it without using the cloud as well. And you go to the App Store, but on my computer, we should be able to go to local send. There we go. Do they have an iOS app? I don't even know if they have an iOS. Yep, they do. So we should be able to receive on KDE, and on my phone, it's not finding it. This is the worst case scenario. As you can see, it is just spinning. There you go. There's me. There's the video. Trying to send it. It's spinning. I can actually directly type an address. So let me try doing that. Actually, we're plugging in fuck local send. Moment of truth. Wait, iPhone's appeared in here. Open in file manager. Photos? No. Media. Download? No. DCAM? How am I supposed to know if this is a 104 Apple? Oh! I'm gonna just paste it in the downloads folder. There it is. And now that means we can actually get the good camera back. Give me a sec. We're back. We're so back. .mov file acquired. Next task. Edit that video by cutting out something in the middle of it and export it. Okay. Luckily we have Kdenlive on this. So new project. We just drag and drop the file in. Boom. There it is. 1080p 60 FPS, but we need to flip it around because it's portrait. Vertical. Save. 1080p vertical. Continue. Did that work? Switch clip to the same thing. Cool. Let's make this really nice and choppy. And now I'm going to save this, my video, and then we are going to render and render to file. Done. Hello everyone. This is my... There we go. We have a cut. Next task. Re-export that video directly to your network share. Now I have a network share, but I don't use it this way. So I'm kind of concerned about this. So let's just see if we can at least get into our network share. Shared folders. How do I add one? Oh, hang on. We can enter SMB and then I can enter there. And now I just need to log in, and I'm just going to make a YT folder just for general privacy. You guys don't need to see other things. Anyway, file, render. Now, if we render the project, we want to output the file elsewhere. Oh, yep. Let's just type in IP address again. There we go. And then my video.mp4 and hit save. Output location is not writable. How to make SMB drive writable. Include writable equals yes. Next issue is I don't have the private key for my server on this PC because I'm a big distro hopper, but I'm going to do it on my laptop real quick.
2 hours later.
Putting the laptop away. I believe I have made it writable. Well, I added writable equals yes to the config. So if that doesn't fix it, then I don't know what we're going to do because we're running out of time here as well. So let's go back to Kdenlive and we're going to try and re-render this. And then my video.mp4 save, not writable. Okay. Look, I'm happy to fail this one. It's not something I'll ever do. I see why it may be an issue, but for my use case, and I think literally everyone ever, except for if you're working at something like Linus Media Group, I think it's fine if you just like export the video to your main thing and then drag it across. I'm not saying that it doesn't matter that I failed. I am a horrible failure and I should not really be talking about Linux if I don't know how to use it. But I have the network drive. I can get the file in there and I don't even use Kdenlive. This does not apply to me. So I don't even know why I'm bothered justifying myself. Next one, remote into your Linux PC from another computer. This should be pretty easy. There's a few ways we can do it. Straight away, I'm thinking Steam, but also if we have Sunshine installed. I know I have Moonlight. Do I have Sunshine? No, I don't. I'm pretty sure I can just use Steam here. Okay, Factorio's on there. There, stream from CacheOS. Updating game. Ah. And there we go. We got it on both. That's streaming, I guess. Okay, next one is play a game that has easy anti-cheat or kernel level anti-cheat. Are we anti-cheat yet? I'm trying to see if there's any games on here that I actually play. I can play a VAC game, but that's not kernel level, which is annoying. Brawlhalla. I think I can get Brawlhalla installed in a reasonable amount of time because it is only 1 GB. Otherwise, I was going to be doing Elden Ring, and I don't know if that's going to work. This might have come in clutch. Play.
Welcome to Brawlhalla.
That one, pretty easy once I found a game I wanted to play with anti-cheat. Next one, format a USB drive to FAT32 and load a flashback file your PC can read. First things first, I need a USB drive, which might actually take up the entire 15 minutes. I swear I had one somewhere. It was like somewhere on this desk. I feel like everywhere I'm looking, this USB has been before. Alright, I found one. Don't know what it's got on it. We'll find out. Well, it's not even showing up. So the 15 minutes are up. There wasn't really any fine print, so I think I failed that challenge. 3 USBs I've tried, and none of them work. But like at all. I know that port works because I just plugged my Xbox controller into it. I don't know if you guys have this, but like I have this one USB that is like the old reliable USB. The one I've always trusted, the one that I can always count on, and I've lost it. Now don't get me wrong, this thing will pop up again eventually. Like it's gonna be down here on this desk in like 3 months time. I'll have no idea where it went. It won't be able to speak to me about the journey it's been on, but it will. It'll come back and it'll be the same 32 GB USB churning through Arch Linux and Void Linux and Fedora and Windows and whatever distro or operating system I choose to have on it at the time. But for now, it is gone. I've been on my hands and knees crawling around the floor of my bedroom trying to find this thing, and it's not. So unfortunately, I'm going to have to label the 7th challenge as failed. I didn't even know how to get the flashback file of my BIOS, so we would have failed at the next hurdle, but at least I didn't have to go through the pain and suffering of doing that. It's clear that I don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I have nothing else pessimistic to say other than that. To be fair, the 2 things I fail are the 2 things that I don't think I ever would do. Like, first of all, if it isn't flashing your BIOS and you just put a USB in your computer and then read a file, like that's easy. All I need is the USB. But other than that, I think I did pretty well on the challenge. 5 out of 7, that's a passing grade. As always, if you enjoyed this video, you should subscribe. That's about it. Join the Discord if you want to as well. Choose. I still can't believe I lost the USB.